Another lesson from HAIM's Women in Music Part 3. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play FUBT. I think we all know what that stands for. So if this video helps you learn the song, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I have a couple more lessons from this album coming your way, and you're not going to want to miss them. Enjoy. This entire song is made up of 2 bar chords, a G major bar chord and an A major bar chord. We would usually play these by barring with our index finger, but we're going to use our thumb instead, and you'll see why in a second. So first, you're going to place your thumb on the 3rd fret of the low E string. You're going to place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and then you're going to bar the B and high E string with your pointer finger. Now for the A major bar chord, you're just going to slide this up 2 frets or a whole step. Now for the lick, you're going to bar the A, D, and G string with your 1st finger. Then you're going to hammer on the A string on the 9th fret with your ring finger. Then you're going to do the same on the D string. Then you're going to do a hammer on pull off on the D string. Then you're going to slide down on the A string from the 9th fret to the 7th fret or to the 5th fret, depending on which chord you're on. So the whole lick. So the whole part sounds like this. And that's it for FUBT. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you learn the song, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I have a couple more videos planned from this album. Thanks.